90% of car owners get robbed at the dealership and never even realize it happened. Every single visit costs you more than it should. And the finance office is built to make sure you never notice. This video exposes 15 costly dealer tricks that drain your bank account year after year. And the twist is that a single $5 habit can shut down every single one of them cold. If you leave before the end, you will walk right back into the same trap next time you roll into that service lane. So stick around, because trick number 1 is the one that quietly costs owners thousands over the life of their car, and almost nobody catches it in time. Trick number 15. The paint protection package. Dealers charge $800 to $1,200 for a so-called lifetime sealant applied before you even drive off the lot. It sounds like peace of mind, but it is a nightmare wrapped in a sales pitch. That product is often the exact same polymer wax you can buy for $15 at any auto parts store, sprayed on in under 10 minutes by a detail kid making minimum wage. Owners on forums report the coating flaking within 2 years, and Consumer Reports has flagged these markups as one of the most inflated add-ons in the entire industry. You are paying luxury prices for a bottle that costs less than your lunch. Skip the package. Buy the same polymer sealant yourself and pocket the difference every single time. Trick number 14. The nitrogen tire fill upsell. For $30 to $70, dealers claim nitrogen-filled tires improve mileage and prevent pressure loss. Here is the betrayal. Regular air is already 78% nitrogen, and the difference in performance is so small that NHTSA testing has never found a meaningful safety benefit for everyday drivers. You are paying for a marketing illusion, not a mechanical advantage. Any free air pump at a gas station gives you nearly the same result for $0. This trick preys on people who assume more expensive automatically means safer, and that assumption is exactly how dealers keep this scam alive year after year. Trick number 13. The VIN etching package. For $300 to $500, a technician etches your vehicle identification number into your windows and tells you it qualifies you for an insurance discount and deters theft. The reality is a ticking time bomb for your wallet. Most insurance discounts for etching amount to a few dollars a year, meaning it takes decades to break even, and DIY etching kits cost under $20 and take 15 minutes in your driveway. Owners who called their insurance company after paying for this discovered the discount barely covered a tank of gas. This is one of the purest profit margins in the entire dealership, and it depends entirely on you never asking a single question. Trick number 12. The fabric protection spray. Dealers charge $200 to $400 to spray your seats with a stain-repellent coating. It is the same chemistry as an $8 can of Scotchgard from the hardware store down the street. Owners report spills soaking straight through within months, proving the coating wears off just as fast as anything you would apply yourself. This is a costly mistake dressed up as a premium service, and every dollar of that markup goes straight into commission for the person who talked you into it at signing. Trick number 11. The inflated multi-point inspection fee bundled into your oil change. What should be a $35 to $50 service quietly balloons to $90 or even $150. Once a mystery inspection fee gets added to the ticket, independent shops perform the same visual inspection for free as a courtesy every single time. This trap works because most people never look at the itemized breakdown, and that silence is worth real money to the dealership, month after month. Trick number 10. The extended warranty pressure session in the finance office. Dealer markups on these contracts run 100 to 300% over what the same coverage costs from a third-party provider. Buyers report feeling cornered in a small room, exhausted after hours of paperwork, agreeing to $2,000 to $4,000 in coverage they never fully understood. This is the financial disaster hiding inside nearly every new car purchase. Shopping the exact same warranty terms independently can cut your cost in half without losing a single day of protection. Sign fast in that room, and you are gambling with thousands of dollars you will never see again. Trick number 9. The window tint upsell. Dealers quote $400 to $600 for tinting that mobile shops complete in your own driveway, for $150 to $250 using identical film. The dealership markup exists purely because you are a captive audience sitting in a waiting room with nothing else to compare it to. Trick number 8. The replacement key fob markup. Lose a key and the dealer quotes you $250 to $400 for a new one. A locksmith or an online programming service handles the exact same fob for $60 to $120, using the same chip and the same security protocol. This price gap has nothing to do with quality and everything to do with your desperation in the moment you need it fixed. Trick number 7. The dealer-installed wheel lock set. Priced around $150, these are functionally identical to a $15 universal set sold at any auto parts store. The only thing you are actually paying for is the dealership logo stamped on the box. Trick number 6. The diagnostic fee for your check engine light. Dealers charge $150 to $200 just to plug in a scanner and read a code. Most auto parts chains, including AutoZone and O'Reilly, will read that exact same code for free in the parking lot. Owners who paid the dealer fee later found out it was a $2 sensor issue the entire time. This is a costly mistake built entirely on convenience and fear, and it evaporates the moment you know where to go instead. Trick number 5. The recommended fuel system cleaning service. Dealers price this around $120 to $180, but a $10 bottle of Techron poured into your tank at your next fill-up delivers the same cleaning agents straight through your fuel system. This service exists specifically because it sounds technical enough that nobody questions it. Trick number 4. The cabin air filter replacement. Quoted at $70 to $100 for labor. That takes less than 5 minutes. This is one of the most absurd markups in the entire service menu. The filter itself costs $15, and most vehicles let you access it through the glove box with 0 tools required. Owners who tried it themselves once never paid for this service again. Trick number 3. The brake fluid flush upsell, pushed at nearly every single oil change. Manufacturer guidelines and consumer reports both confirm brake fluid only needs replacement every 2 years, not every 3 months like some service advisors claim. Flushing it early costs you $120 repeatedly for a service your car does not even need yet. This is a money pit disguised as maintenance, and it only works because most drivers never check their own owner's manual. Trick number 2. The certified pre-purchase inspection add-on for used cars. Dealers charge $200 for an inspection that independent mechanics often perform for free or for a fraction of that price before you even commit to buying. Skipping this step and trusting the dealer blindly has led owners straight into thousands of dollars in hidden repair costs on vehicles with rebuilt titles or unreported accident damage. Trick number 1. The Finance Office Protection Bundle. This is where the real betrayal lives. Gap insurance, tire and wheel coverage, and paint protection get quietly stacked into one package. Priced anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000, buried inside your monthly payment, so the true cost never fully registers. Here is the $5 hack that destroys every single trick on this list at once. Before you sign anything, ask for the itemized out-the-door price sheet and physically cross off every add-on with a $5 pen while sitting right there at the table. That single move forces every hidden fee into the open and instantly saves you from all 15 of these traps in one motion. You just learned the exact playbook dealers use to drain thousands out of everyday drivers, one small fee at a time. Keep that itemized sheet and that $5 pen in your glove box, and you will never fall into another one of these traps again. If this video just saved you real money, hit subscribe so we keep exposing exactly what they hope you never find out. Click the next video now, because the tricks waiting for you at the tire shop are even worse than what you just watched.